Introducing a better way to clean dirty, greasy, oily auto parts in your shop or out on mobile service. The CRC Smart Washer Benchtop Pro tackles your toughest parts cleaning jobs without harmful solvents and solvent disposal issues. The Benchtop Pro's water-based cleaning formula is as strong as solvent cleaners to cut through carbon deposits, grease, dirt, and oil with ease. The recirculating pump and flow-through scrub brush deliver plenty of degreasing solution just where you need it. When you're done, you can dry your clean parts on the built-in drying rack. Benchtop Pro's BT5 degreasing solution is non-hazardous, non-flammable, non-toxic, and won't irritate the skin. It's safer for the user and the environment without compromising on cleaning strength. And because our bioremediating microbes convert grease and oil into harmless CO2 and water, you can use the BT5 degreasing solution over and over again. That means no need to keep paying for solvent and solvent disposal service. With the Benchtop Pro's rugged portable design, you can just clean, close, store. Find the Benchtop Pro at your favorite retailer.